Hawaii, Skasers. Welcome back natin ito ng bagong video. So nga guys, may nakikita tayo sa likuran? Yes, kung nababasa nyo naman ang title ng video nito. Can we get 50 subscribers? Video. So guys, if this video guys reach 50 subscribers, kaya may sorpresa akong taas sa likuran. Order na ito at once na-reach natin on ang channel ko ang 50 subscribers, bababa ko tong lever na ito. Makikita nyo kung ano ang nasa likod ng pader na ito. So guys, if we reach subscribers, I will click the lever and you'll see what's on or what's behind this huge wall here. So guys, help me reach 100. I mean 50 subscribers because when I reach 50 subscribers, my goal next is to reach a 100 subscribers. Okay, I want to reach 100 subscribers next. So you guys help me. You see what's behind this wall. Then after that, 100 subscribers. Next one. Yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Comment na rin guys kung anong gusto nyo i-upload ko sa susunod na video. And by the way, video or 50 subscriber special video will be out once I reach 50 subs. And also you will see the video on my short on what's behind this wall. So let's you just wait guys, so help me reach 50 subs and then let's see what's behind of this, what's behind the wall. Yes. At ano yung nasa likod ng pader na to, makikita nyo rin. Okay? And also I'll upload some horror video and I'll reach 50 subscribers. So like and subscribe. Yeah.